Our planet is changing. Glaciers are shrinking, sea levels are rising. The evidence is all around us, in the melting ice caps and the receding glaciers that once stood tall and majestic. These changes are not just isolated incidents. They are part of a larger, more troubling pattern that affects every corner of our world. Weather patterns are becoming more extreme. We see it in the increasing frequency and intensity of hurricanes, floods, and droughts. These extreme weather events are becoming the new normal, disrupting lives and ecosystems in ways we are only beginning to understand. These are all signs of a planet in flux, a planet experiencing the effects of climate change. The landscapes we once knew are transforming before our eyes, and the delicate balance of our ecosystems is being thrown into disarray. The consequences of these changes are far-reaching and profound. To understand these changes and combat their effects, we need a global perspective. We need to look beyond our immediate surroundings and see the bigger picture. Only by viewing our planet as a whole can we begin to grasp the full extent of the challenges we face. We need to see our planet from above. From this vantage point, we can observe the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the ways in which they influence one another. This bird's-eye view is crucial for understanding the complex dynamics at play. That's where satellites come in. These marvels of modern technology orbit our planet, providing us with invaluable data and insights. They are our eyes in the sky, constantly monitoring and recording the changes happening below. Satellites provide us with a critical vantage point, a bird's-eye view of Earth's intricate systems. They allow us to see patterns and trends that would be impossible to detect from the ground. This information is essential for making informed decisions about how to address the challenges we face. From their orbits high above, they observe our planet tirelessly, collecting valuable data about our changing climate. This data helps scientists track the progression of climate change and predict future trends. It also informs policymakers and guides conservation efforts. This information is not just for scientists, it's for everyone. Communities around the world are using satellite data to better understand their local environments and to take action. Public awareness and education are key components in the fight against climate change. Understanding our planet is the first step towards protecting it. By gaining a deeper knowledge of the changes taking place, we can develop strategies to mitigate their impact and work towards a more sustainable future. The view from above is not just a perspective, it's a call to action. But what exactly are satellites? Imagine a sophisticated machine equipped with instruments orbiting Earth. That's a satellite. They are essentially artificial moons, launched into space to circle our planet and send back information. These technological marvels act as our eyes in the sky, providing a constant stream of data about Earth. Some satellites circle close to Earth, capturing high-resolution images of the surface. Others reside further out, monitoring vast swaths of the atmosphere. Each satellite plays a crucial role, contributing to a global network of observation that helps us understand our planet's health. Not all satellites are created equal. While some are designed for communication or navigation, others have a more specialized and critical role. Some are specifically designed to monitor climate change. These satellites are equipped with advanced technology to observe and record the Earth's climate system. These climate-observing satellites are equipped with specialized instruments to track various climate indicators. They measure temperature, humidity, and other atmospheric conditions with high precision. Some measure the temperature of the ocean surface, crucial for understanding ocean currents and weather patterns. By monitoring sea surface temperatures, scientists can predict phenomena like El Niño and La Niña, which have significant impacts on global weather. Others track the movement and thickness of polar ice caps, providing vital signs of global warming. The data collected helps scientists understand the rate at which ice is melting and its contribution to rising sea levels. These sentinels of the atmosphere also monitor greenhouse gas concentrations in the atmosphere, providing crucial information about the driving forces behind climate change. By measuring gases like carbon dioxide and methane, they help us understand human impact on the environment. They track deforestation rates, a major contributor to carbon dioxide increase. Deforestation not only reduces the number of trees that can absorb CO2, but also releases stored carbon into the atmosphere. Each data point paints a clearer picture of our planet's changing environment. By compiling and analyzing this data, scientists can make more accurate predictions about future climate conditions and develop strategies to mitigate the effects of climate change. Section 4. The language of data. The data collected by these satellites come in many forms. Images from space show us the shrinking ice caps and deforestation in alarming detail. Sensors measure the rising sea levels with millimeter precision. Spectrometers analyze the composition of our atmosphere, tracking the increase of greenhouse gases. This data, however, is much more than just numbers and images. It's a language, a way for our planet to communicate its health. Scientists around the world speak this language, analyzing the data, identifying trends, and making predictions about future changes. Section 5. Guardians of our planet. Over the years, numerous satellites have contributed significantly to our understanding of climate change. The Landsat series, for instance, has been tracking changes in Earth's land surface for over 4 decades, providing invaluable data on deforestation, urban sprawl, and glacial retreat. The Jason series of satellites, on the other hand, has been instrumental in measuring sea level rise, a critical indicator of global warming. These satellites, and many others like them, act as guardians of our planet, tirelessly collecting data to help us understand and address the challenges of climate change. Section 6. The power of now. One of the most remarkable aspects of satellite technology is its ability to provide real-time data. Unlike traditional ground-based monitoring stations, satellites offer a continuous stream of information, allowing scientists to track changes as they happen. This real-time monitoring is critical for disaster preparedness and response. For instance, during a hurricane, satellites provide up-to-the-minute information on the storm's intensity, track, and potential impact, enabling authorities to issue timely warnings and evacuate vulnerable areas. Section 7. Shaping our future. The importance of satellite data in combating climate change cannot be overstated. Satellites provide us with a unique vantage point, allowing us to monitor the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land masses in real time. This continuous stream of data is crucial for understanding the rapid changes occurring in our environment. This information is not just about understanding the problem, it's about finding solutions. By interpreting satellite imagery, researchers can identify patterns and trends that are invisible from the ground. This helps in predicting future climate conditions and developing strategies to mitigate adverse effects. By analyzing satellite data, scientists can model different climate change scenarios and assess the effectiveness of various mitigation strategies. These models are essential for forecasting potential outcomes and preparing for various possibilities, ensuring that we are better equipped to handle future challenges. This data empowers policymakers to make informed decisions, implement effective policies, and track their impact over time. With accurate and up-to-date information, governments can create targeted initiatives that address specific environmental issues, leading to more effective and sustainable solutions. In essence, satellites are not just observing climate change, they are helping us shape a better, more sustainable future. By providing critical data, they enable us to take proactive steps in conservation, reforestation, and the development of renewable energy projects. The view from above is not just a perspective, it's a call to action. It reminds us of our responsibility to protect our planet and encourages us to work together towards a sustainable future for all.